Hi, and welcome back to my final morning report. Charles Appraisal on Monday, the 20th of April, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at gold now, and this gold chart continues to consolidate. Really, no major direction or sense of direction either way. Momentum indicators pretty much entirely neutral. RSI basically flat at around 50. MACD lines very flat. Stochastics now flattening around the neutral point as well. Moving averages basically all converging and flat, and you're sort of trading within this range. You've got a mixture of candles in the last few days, a couple of bullish, a couple of bearish, and lo and behold, we're in a bit of a doji candle formation at the moment on the daily chart. Now this hourly chart, again, nothing really in terms of direction. We've even turned lower just in the last few minutes underneath this this 12.1070 rally high, which is your resistance, and again we've just turned lower from that. So I still think you could arguably play the RSI, which is on the hourly chart, which is selling at around 70, buying at around 30. That's possible within this range. As it continues, there's no real sign that it's not going to continue for now. No real sign of any major breakout. Yes, you do have this sequence of, zoom back in here. You've got a sequence of higher lows. Actually, that forms a bit of an uptrend now on in the last few days. So maybe watch out for that, especially if that starts to break down again, because that would just once again signal the continuation of this range. But I suppose with that uptrend intact, you would argue that you'd be putting pressure on the 12.1070 resistance. And that is the first line that you'd be looking out for. So there is a very slightly bullish bias to this chart. I did say, looking back at the silver chart, there was a slightly bearish outlook to the consolidation, whereas in gold, I think, as I said, with this uptrend, there's a slightly bullish look to the consolidation in the last few days. And it certainly looks like there could be pressure on that 12.1070 level, but again, in the last couple of hours, it's just dropped off again. So we're still sort of stuck in this range. We've still not really got any real sense of direction. Above 12.1070, you'd be looking out for the 12.2410 mark, and if you started to test the supports again, the major support comes in at 11.78. So they are the two big levels, but certainly within that there's some resistance and some support that just suggests you're still going to play the range. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thanks.